Okay, number 28. A staple that the fingerprint refer to the fingerprint patterns that remain unchanged over time in enriching the structure and patterns. Key points: the fingerprints are the form of before the birth and remain the staple for a life except in a cases of injury or skin damage. The ridge or clone mutilate and overall patterns types do not naturally change with age. This is stability of fingerprints in reliable methods for lifelong identification, forensic, and biometric. Okay, number 29, ridge crossing. A ridge crossing is a fingerprint mutilate where the two ridges intersect or crossing each other. Characteristics that appear in an X line or the cross shape the structure in a ridge pattern. It is less common than the ridge ending or the bifurcation used in a mutilate points in a fingerprint identification. Because of its distinct shape and rapidity, and is a crossing can help to differentiate on one fingerprint from another in a detailed forensic analysis. Okay, number 30. Crossover. A crossover is a fingerprint is a ridge of picture when a short ridge connect the two parallel ridges forming a bridge like a structure. Look like the horizontal or angle connectors between the two ridges, also known as a bridge or transverse in ridge, is a close type of mutilate used in a fingerprint analysis, help the individual identification due to its distinct position and shape. Okay, number 31, a Packering ridge. A Packering ridge is referred to the distorted or the regular ridge information that appear as a compressed, twisted, or the branch, bunches and up at the pattern in a fingerprint. Characterization often caused by the skin tension or pressure or aging that resulting in an irregular ridge alignment. May appear in a scarred or damaged area of the fingertips, can affect the clarify or the flow of the fingerprint, but still may contain identifiable mutilate. Okay, number 32, incipient. Incipient fingerprint refer to the undeveloped or the faint ridge information that appeared beside or between the ridge on our fingertips. Key characteristics are also known as a rudimentary ridge. They are the thinner shallower and lighter than the fully developed ridge. Ridges are typically found in the valley between the main friction and ridge. They are formed before birth, but they remain undeveloped, may not always be invisible in fingerprint impression unless the print in high quality and captured under special condition. Okay, number 33, dissociate fingerprints is referred to fingerprints pattern in which one of the more direction are the separate broken or disconnected from the main ridge flow and creating an irregular or isolated appearance. Isolated ridge fragment and short ridges that appear always from the main patterns distorted area due to pressure, the skirting, or improper capture. Okay, in the last list, ending ridge. In a unending ridge is a mutilate points in a fingerprints where the friction and ride that terminate the and rapidly without joining or continuing into a ridge another ridge into another ridge.